Hello, I'm Dennis, the woodworker. Today we're going to talk about fencing during the hole digging and pile driving process. Some issues to be aware of before digging a hole. First of all, there are two things to be implemented. The first thing to do is to talk to your neighbors. After the boundaries have been determined and the neighbors have agreed on the boundaries, there is another important element, which is the sharing of a cost. Secondly, we have to apply to the government for demarcation. It is very important to make sure that there are no underground pipelines in the construction area. If you are hiring a contractor, then he'll be able to come in normally. Once the jobs start, you need someone at home. Provide electrical and plumbing support to the construction crews. The first step of digging a hole for piling. It's the bit where you have to pull the wire to set the hole. The distance between the hole and the hole, it's about 8 feet. Sometimes to avoid tree roots or old concrete lights. The distance between holes will be adjusted for digging with either a machine or a two-man machine. There are also very hand-dug in the vicinity of the pipeline. My advice is to dig the hole by hand, deep enough and round enough. Positional criteria. The depth of the hole is generally about 36 inches, by the way, to add that. There are two necessary tools for digging a hole. A chisel. It's for cutting roots. The other is a tool drill. It's used to break up concrete and rocks. Once the hole is dug, the piles begin to be cemented in order to ensure that the posts are square, and that two things are essential between the posts. One of which is that the wires are drawn again from end to end, and the other is that the wires are placed on the top of the posts. The side of the post must be aligned with the line. The second is to use this kind of triangular cement mud. This is a must-have tool for the professional fence builder. It's used to ensure that the posts are square and straight at the same time. There are two types of cement used for pouring posts, one of which is this yellow bag. The mud should be well mixed and then poured. And then there's this rapid post. Pour the cement directly into the hole in small batches. Add a certain percentage of water each time, and then I'll put a lead in it. Digging and piling is all we're going to talk about today. If you have any specific questions, please leave a comment below. We will continue to introduce how to board a fence, how to make a fence for a door, how to make metal and aluminum fence. Thank you for watching.